Now, what is composite key? What's a composite key? Composite key is if you're combining more than one attributes, not one, more than one attributes together to be a candidate key, then it's a composite key. So that means there was one definition in candidate key, right? Combining one or more than one. That in that definition, that equals to one part is gone. So it has to be more than one attributes. It has to be more than one attributes. If you're combining more than one attributes, and that combination is a candidate key, then that's a composite key. So guys, each and every key is revolving around the same thing, right? It can be confusing initially, but keep on revising this thing, and I'm pretty sure you will get hands on it. So unique key, we the name itself suggests if you're combining one attribute or more than one attribute, and after combining each and every elements. For example, let's say in A1, Ankit is again, I'll take Ankit, Bhupi is there, then Tushnik is there. And then there's one more attribute, A2, where roll numbers are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these roll numbers are there. If I'm combining these two attributes, so first of all, this attribute itself is a unique key because each and every element is unique. Okay, this attribute in itself is a unique key. The roll number is going to be unique. Now we have proper understanding of unique key, unique term, right? If I'm combining A1 and A2, even they are unique, right? Even they are unique. Now the only difference is when we are writing unique, it can be null also. Somewhere it can be null as well. It doesn't matter. It can be null. Okay. Even this value can be null. This can be null. These parts will be ignored. Okay. So even still, it is a unique key combination of A1 and A2. Even still, it's a unique key. That means it can have null values.